Hello, this video is on graphing point-slope equations. So we have our general formula, y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. Now you want to remember that your point that you're looking for is x1 comma y1 in the equation. So you're looking for your x1 and your y1 values. That's the point you're going to start at. Once you find that original point, then you're going to use your slope, m, to find where the next point will be. So we have an equation, y minus 3 equals negative 1/2 x minus 5. So we have our y1 here and our x1 here. Now in the original equation we have minus x1. So we're actually just going to take that value 5. So we have 5 for the x, and again we have minus 3 and we have minus y1. So we're going to take the value 3 for our y. So we're starting at that point 5, 3. Now our slope is going to be negative 1/2. So that means that we're either going down 1 to the right 2 or going up 1 to the left 2. So we will start at our point 5, 3. And then we'll move according to the slope. So we'll start going down 1 to the right 2, down 1 to the right 2. Now we could also, starting at our point, go up 1 to the left 2, up 1 to the left 2, and so on and so forth all the way across the graph that we have here. Okay, then we just need to attach these points. So we get a line and draw through all the points. Make sure that it continues in both directions because that is the definition of a line. And we've graphed according to point slope. So we're going to do another example. So here we have y plus 2 equals 4, x minus 1. So again, we want to find that x1 and that y1. So here our x1 is going to be 1 because that is a minus and we want a minus. And then our y1 gives us a little bit of trouble because it's plus 2 and normally we want a minus. So how do we get plus from minus? Well, if we minus a negative 2 instead of adding 2, it's the same exact thing. So that means that we actually have a negative 2 here. So you're taking the opposite sign that's given. So here we have x minus 1, so it's positive 1. Here we have y plus 2, so it's negative 2. And that's going to be our point. Now we need to find our slope, which is right there. So our slope is 4, which we can rewrite as 4 divided by 1, because it's the same exact thing. So that means that we're moving up 4 to the right 1, or down 4 to the left 1, because if they're both negative, then it makes a positive. So we're going to start at our point, 1, negative 2. And then we're going to go up 4 over 1. Up 4 over 1. Up 4 over 1. We can also start at that point, go down 4 to the left 1. Down 4 to the left 1. We just need to connect those points with a line. So we draw a line through those points. There we are. Extend the line on both ends. So we have our equation, y plus 2 equals 4, x minus 1, graphed as a linear graph. So I would like you to try this one on your own. Y minus 5 equals 2/3 x plus 6. So remember, you're dealing with that y minus y1 equals mx minus x1 equation. So you have to find that first point, your x1, y1, and then you want to find the slope as well so that you can graph it. Good luck.